How to add multiple stops on Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add multiple stops on Uber as I have shown you on the screen here. You can see now Uber has added a feature where you can add multiple stops. Now to begin with, let me guide you thoroughly. Now first you want to open up your Uber application. Now it's unavailable in my regions, so I'll have a little problem showing you, but you can see you'll get an interface like this once you open up an Uber application. Now there you can see a little rides option, and under it you can see enter pickup point option, and beside it you can see now option with a little timer there. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you want to select your pickup time here. First select in your pickup time, you can choose it by tapping on the time here, and once you choose your pickup time here and pickup date, you want to simply tap on set pickup time. Now once you do so, you can see pickup location. I'll just select pickup location here. I'll just choose it on the map. If your Uber is available in your region, you can simply search in for the location here, and I can add in another stop by tapping in add a stop and then set location on map, and then again scroll this all the way to the UK. Now I don't have this service available in my region, so I'm having trouble here doing this, but you shouldn't have this trouble since you can easily search it from here. Now once you add particular number of stops, if you just keep on adding stops, your option will just keep on adding, and then simply tap on done. And once you tap on done, now you can see it's unavailable in this location, but you'll be able to book it if it's available in your location. So this way you can add multiple stops on Uber. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.